Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, yeah.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shine Shell and I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing a wig review from this hairline that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys who the company is. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So this is the bag. I already took the wig out. It's called Lekouuugu. I think I'm saying that right. Lekouuugu. That's what it looked like, but yeah, Lekouuugu, something like that. This is a highly requested video from the company. They want me to go ahead and do a review on this hair. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check it out to see how it is. Now this color is actually different. It's like a copper burnt orange or something like that. Let me just go ahead and show y'all. So what comes in the packet, it does come with like a weaving cap, and also they did send me some rubber bands, so I do appreciate that. I do need some. So now this is the wig. This is so pretty for the winter, or actually the fall. This is a pretty fall color. It does have bangs like this. It is tangly. You know, it's synthetic, but you know, you can make something happen, make it look cute, you know. It is shedding. It's shedding a lot. So I'm going ahead and show y'all. This hair is sheddable. I think I'm saying that right, sheddable. It does have like a body wave to it. Not like a body wave, but like a loose, straight curl to it. I didn't put any heat on it or nothing, but I'm pretty sure that you can straighten it on low heat, because this is very synthetic-y. This is very, you know, even if I just run my fingers through it, the hair is just coming out. So this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys so you can take a look at what it looks like on. You know, I like to try different things. You know, you never know until you try. This wig is actually cute. I can tell right now. The thing about it is, it does have combs, but not the back. The back does not have combs or anything. I'm trying to put it together. It does have straps, so I put my wig on first and then I strap it together so I know where I want to adjust it. It's so shiny, but it's so cute, you know. Shoot, you can even wear this wig on Halloween. Now on camera, this wig looks much lighter on camera, but it is darker in person. My ring light making it shiny. But yeah, this wig is actually cute. Some people wear their bangs on the side or the middle. I think I have to cut them more because I really don't like the bangs on my face. I'm pretty sure they have this in black too. Yeah, this hair is shedding, like it's shedding so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the link is to it. This is the link. Stop right here. This is the wig. Okay, you guys, so I cut the bangs. It looks so much better. This wig is actually cute. If I'm rating this wig, I will give it a 8 out of 10 because you can wear this wig in any type of weather. I would say fall, because you know fall is, you know, coming up. But yeah, I went ahead and cut the bangs a little so I can see what it actually looked like. Now, I don't know if they have these in different colors, but I'm pretty sure they do. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the information in the description so you can look at it to see if you do like it, look at the other reviews to see how it is. But with this wig, it does shed a lot, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This wig is actually affordable. The information in the description for this wig. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for another video. or, you know, and comment in the comment section to let me know which other videos you would like me to do. And I do appreciate you guys looking at my video.